It was an absolute nightmare the last time that I played rock, paper, scissors. Well, maybe not for me. I was at a wedding and this guy was hitting on me, and it very clearly was not working. I was about to walk away when he asked if we could play a real quick game of rock, paper, scissors. If I won, he'd buy me a drink, which was very generous considering it was the first wedding I've been to that did not have an open bar. But if I lost, I owed him a kiss. And to be fair, he was a pretty good-looking guy, and I was about to head home anyway, so I humored him. We decided we played 3 rounds, and whoever won the most rounds was the winner. Well, the first game, he chose paper, and I chose rock, which, I'll admit, that was a rookie mistake on my part. Next round, I decided to go with the scissors, and he chose paper again. We were tied, and it was gonna come down to the last game to decide the winner. The final round, we both chose scissors. We shot again, and it was another tie. After the third tie, I decided to call it even. I thought that he would just be a gentleman and go on his way after an admittedly fun game, but no, he was adamant that we stuck to the rules. He said that since we tied, he owed me a drink and I owed him a kiss. And I was like, fine, whatever, I guess that's fair. I told him that I was going to run to the bathroom real quick and that I would meet him back at the bar. On the way to the bathroom, I ran into one of my friends. She asked me how my night was going, and I gave her a recap of what just happened. And she was like, oh my god, I saw him playing rock, paper, scissors with another girl earlier. I wonder if it was the same thing. And now, I'm all for shooting your shot, but it was at this moment that I realized that I didn't owe this man a thing. So I went to the bathroom and then back to the bar, where he had ordered us 2 shots. We cheersed and took them, and then he put his hand around my waist and came in close. It was at that moment that my friend came by, grabbed my hand, and said, hey, we gotta go. Our Uber driver just called, he's waiting for us. We ran away, and I never saw him again.